I'm going to sing Halleluja by Leonard Cohen. Okay. I've heard there was a secret chord David played and it pleased the Lord. But don't you really care for music, do ya? Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, the major lift. Baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Well, her faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof. Her beauty in the moonlight drove her through ya. She tied you to the kitchen chair. She broke your throne and she cut your hair. From your lips she drew the hallelujah. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Thank you so much.
That was just beautiful.
So beautiful.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Bravo, bravo.
Heartfelt. Navanita, thank you for sharing your beautiful voice. We'll be looking forward to listening more, maybe even tomorrow.